Hello everyone, this is Rhett here from Ri3D at Purdue, here to talk about our robot #alicorn and its elevator mechanism. We chose to use a 4-bar system, which consists of these 4 bars and the mirrored version over here. Starting from the bottom and how it attaches to the robot, it is mounted to our sword chassis using a gusset right down here. This is currently riveted onto the 2x1, although we are looking at mounting it via bolts to allow us to be able to unbolt it and take it off for easier transportation. This vertical upright is made of 1.5 by 3 16-inch thick aluminum tube. Moving up, we have this bearing here and this bearing here, which mounts our hex shafts that run across the width of the robot that allow us to mount our further up parallel arms. These parallel arms then lead up to this tube here, which then goes on to mount our intake and scoring mechanism. These parallel arms allow us to swing the robot up while keeping this front tube at the same vertical position, which allows us to keep our intake at whatever angle we want it at through swinging it up. This whole system is driven by a Neo, which then drives into a 100-to-1 sport gearbox, of which we've used a sim adapter for. The gearbox then drives a 15-tooth sprocket. That sprocket runs via chain up to this sprocket here, which is a 26-tooth sprocket. We are using 35T chain. This sprocket then drives this hex shaft. The hex shaft then runs through this parallel arm, which we then use to a wheel hub to drive this parallel arm, which allows us to, by driving the motor, swing this system all the way up and down. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or on our Chief Delphi thread. Thank you for watching.